if you're having trouble eliminating these things from your diet, but you are suffering with these immune problems, or you're suffering with certain diseases and maybe even cancer, the big C word, you know, being able to deprive your body of the sugars, being able to deprive your body of these just plain calories, and relying on the internal natural intelligence of your being to solve this problem for you, you'd be surprised at what not eating can do. And of course, if you're suffering from crazy flus and things like that, get fluids, always be drinking water, get nutrients into your body. But this is for someone who's ready to take their health to the next level, or if nothing that you're doing in the past has worked, this is when you want to consult your doctor and see if fasting is right for you. Now, fasting mimicking is more like you're going to eat, like 500 to 1,000 calories over a certain course of time, then maybe have a day or two where you don't eat, and you're going to burn fat. You're going to change your whole life. It's amazing. But for me, it's more about getting the bacteria inside of me to cooperate more, because they're now linking bacteria and probiotic bacteria, good bacteria, good promoting life bacteria, that your mood, your very happiness and well-being and ability to fight depression and anxiety is actually directly linked to the quality of your gut bacteria. They call it the gut biome, or your inner biome. And that is so crazy that these little things inside of us are capable of creating our moods and controlling us and giving us our cravings. You want sugar. Do you realize that you want sugar because of those bacteria inside of you? It's so nuts. So, fasting gives us a chance to take a step back from it. It is an extreme practice. I guess I can sort of lump this into exposure to extremes. And, they do go hand in hand. But realize that we are emotionally attached to food in a pathological way in our culture. And that we need to reevaluate what that relationship is and what that relationship is like. Because too many of us are addicted to things that are debilitating our health and compromising us. If you're someone with an immunodeficiency and you're just eating crap, you're eating Cheez-Its and beef jerky and Slim Jims and peanut butter. It's not that any of these things on their own are terrible, it's just that people don't moderate. I don't know if you moderate, but you're part of the Q Club. My best guess is that you're an elevated and conscious human being who knows what foods to keep in the diet, what to avoid. Fasting mimicking allows you to really just, you can eat what you want. A lot of the times, you can eat the crap, but you're just eating less of the crap. It's very fascinating. Very, very fascinating. And the last method that I want to go over with you, this is really, it is the game changer for personal development. It is the game changer for health, and it is the game changer for your life. To heal this immunoproblem that you have, this autoimmune disease, this disease and disorder that you have, it starts with how you feel. We call this state management. If you've never encountered state management before, we will be uploading some videos about state management and have a whole series about it in psychology and in spirituality. And here, as far as health is concerned, state management, first and foremost, is how do you feel when you wake up? How do you approach the day? Because if you can create a positive outlook on your life and create positive mental attitude habits, well, why don't we just look at the opposite for a second? You are a sick person, or you know someone who's sick, you know someone who wakes up every day with this problem, this immune disorder, this immune disease, and this dysfunction, and they are always upset. They take life as it comes, and they're letting the world affect them. They're letting their inner world affect the way that they see it. They're letting it color their experience. And instead of having a strong, resilient look at life, they're suffering, and they're transmitting that suffering to the world around them. And that sucks. It sucks to be in that situation. I know what it's like. I know what it's like to be at cause for my own suffering and to be blaming everyone else for it.